I think the aircraft's happy.
Juliet November Romeo, traffic about 3 miles ahead on early downwind is a Cherokee also inbound.
Oh, 3 Gs, okay.
Traffic inside Juliet November Romeo, will slow down a little bit.
Juliet November Romeo.
Okay. That's him saying we'll slow down because...
India Bravo uniform, cleared visual approach number 1, runway right.
Cleared visual approach, runway right, number 1, India Bravo uniform. That's him saying, okay, we'll slow down. And they've just given me clearance, descent to 1,000, so I'm going to descent to 1,000. I can actually hold at 1,000 for a bit. Yes, so the people behind me are 3 miles out. So we shouldn't have to worry about them. I feel high. Like compared to the runway, I feel at a height in which I should be. Maybe I'm too close. Okay. I'm a bit fast, that's what it is. I shot very fast. Okay, on.
Hangtown Tower, good morning. Warrior Tango X-ray uniform at the holding point Alpha 8 for runway 29 to right. Ready
Right
for
up.
departure.
I'm going 1.
Tango
2
uniform,
stages of
Hangtown Tower,
flaps.
runway right, clear for takeoff.
Runway right, clear for takeoff. Tango X-ray uniform, thank you.
Juliet November Romeo, downwind 29 right.
Juliet November Romeo, cleared visual approach number 2, runway right.
Clear visual approach 29 right, Juliet November Romeo, number 2.
Diagonal Apollo 27 holding Alpha 8, ready upwind departure.
Third stage now.
Apollo 27 Bankstown Tower, hold position.
Holding position, Apollo 27.
India Bravo uniform, change runway center, clear to land.
Change runway center, clear to land, India Bravo uniform.
Apollo 27, line up runway
This is
Line up runway
lucky.
right, Apollo 27.
Okay.
Bankstown Tower, Sirius Tango, limits inbound
Yeah.
1,600 descending, 1,500
Angelica Lima Bankstown Tower, join downwind runway 29 and right, maintain 1,500.
maintain 1,500, Tango Echo Lima.
Apollo 27, the Cherokee upwind will be departing via crosswind for you, runway right, clear for takeoff.
Yeah, copy the traffic, runway right, cleared for takeoff, Apollo 27.
Never land, oh no, I have landed on the center, but I've just never arrived on center. Oh, come on. Hey. Thanks, Center. I'm just a bit unsure. Should I expedite here or get off right at the end of the runway? India Bravo uniform.
India Bravo uniform, normally you would take the first one, however, roll through.
Rolling through India Bravo uniform, thank you.
Juliet November Romeo, runway right, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway right, Juliet November Romeo.
India Bravo uniform, if you take the next one, that one doesn't require a runway crossing.
I'll take the next one. Thank you so much for your help, India Bravo uniform.
Not a problem.
It was really nice. Ah, okay. Yeah, she was really nice. Thank you to her.
Bravo 5 to 4 circle, Lima Papa.
Please fast again.
Taxi Alpha Bravo, Bravo Runner Bay, Lima X-ray Papa.
Thanks, down ground. Cherokee India Bravo uniform is cresting taxi to November for parking.
Bravo uniform ground, taxi parking.
Thanks to parking India Bravo uniform. Yeah, she was really nice. Oh. Standby. Okay. Yeah, I normally land on runway 11 right. Never really done anything. 11 center.
Thanks on ground, Service Juliet November Romeo, clear runway 29 right, request taxi to parking.
To November Romeo, ground, taxi parking.
Taxi parking, Juliet November Romeo.
We're stuck in behind this guy. Oh, yeah, I've only ever done abort takeoff a lesson on the center runway in which we just went to the end and came off. I know what to do now. That's good. I think that's the instructor that signed me out. Signed me out. I need to... Signed me out. There we go. Now you can hear everything I'm saying and it shouldn't cut off. I'm going to give myself a bit of room behind this guy. Oh, I'm doused in sweat. Very nice. One could say I'm tailgating him. Worst pun ever.
All stations, Bankstown information. Delta is now current. Changes temperature 33, QNH 1015.
A bit nice to the next person. I'll set it. 1015. Okay. Yeah, he's coming off. Okay. Now I'm going to go left. This time actually I'm going to do that. And actually that was the instructor that signed me out. The other one, maybe it was Grace. Not sure. Damn. Okay. I'm guessing I'll end up in this one. Just practicing the reverse parking. Okay. Parking brake set, throttle 1000 RPM, throttle 1000 RPM, avionics off. I can't really, can I turn this off? Yeah, that can come off, I'll leave that. Avionics off, magneto check. Still got 2 magnetos, mixture out of cuff. There we go, throttle closed. Off, key out, because we have to follow this now. Vision light, that can stay on. Very nice, switch off. Good flight.